Hey everyone, welcome to the CartKit demo. To start it off, just go to app.consistentcart.com, log in, just put in your credentials for your Shopify store. So mine is called Consistent Cart. So just log in into your store. If you don't have the app installed, you can find it on the App Store under Consistent Cart. So you will get redirected to this login screen when you put the Add app on the Shopify App Store. So go ahead and add it if you haven't had app installed until now. And to start it off, we arrive at the cart activity page. So basically, this page is super simple and really important at the same time because you will be able to see all your cart activity under one single table. So no more global order KPIs and information. You can get individual cart details for everyone that has Shopify Instacart installed on their Shopify store. Every single time a visitor adds a product to their cart, you will get a cart created on this consistent cart activity table. And you will be able to see the stage in which that cart currently resides on. So this person is an anonymous visitor, which means they haven't subscribed, they haven't given you their personal information yet. So you don't have a login or a user. And they have items in their cart. They haven't actually completed their checkout. So this is a overview of the cart activity page. So this is all the central information you get for the cart recovery funnel for the start. So how do we convert these items in cart to actual sales? Well, you can use our email, push, and SMS features. Each of these have a auto series, and an auto series is just a series of emails that we send to the customer when they have abandoned their cart. We have 3 emails on the abandoned series. So we highly recommend setting up abandoned email 1 and email 2 just to give you guys a sense of how this is edited and works. It's super simple. So you only go into the email. You can edit all the settings right here. And this particular setting is really important. So how much time should pass after the cart is abandoned to send this email. In this case, it's hours. So we can set 1, 2, whatever number of hours you want. So I'll set 2 and save our changes. And we got the email template right here. So it's just an easy, super simple WYSIWYG editor that translate to this really simple email. So you left some items in your cart, go back and check out now. So this checkout button redirects them directly to the checkout page on the store. So we're sending the customers back to their checkout directly. And you can set up abandoned email 2 and 3. Email 3 is optional. It really depends on your conversions. So check out the first 2. If you are not converting as high as you should, then you can turn on abandoned email number 3. Besides that, you got automated campaigns. So you got customer thank you email, order thank you, and birthday emails. These are automated campaigns that just go out when the event is triggered. So when they recover their cart and go to checkout, you will send out this email as well as the order thank you, and we will send them a birthday email on their birthday. So for the push notification series, it's the same thing. We have 4 different types of campaigns. They have the same logic as the email series and the same as the SMS. So the only difference between the email push and SMS features is that push notifications has instant campaigns. Instant campaigns are campaigns that instantly show up to all users you got subscribed on your notifications. So how do you actually set up those prompts? So you can go to settings and notification prompt, and this notification prompt is the prompt that you get on your Chrome or on your browser to accept receiving notifications. So users have to give them your consent to actually send notifications. And you can modify the header, body, and the CTAs right here, as well as the notification logo. These are all customization options. So when you go into the auto series for push, you get the same exact logic as the email. So how much hours should pass before sending this after the cart is abandoned, the title and the body. So moving on to SMS. SMS has a little more setup than these two. So for email, you do not have to set up anything. If you want to get more conversions and better KPIs, you can go into Grow Tools and add to cart pop-up. And Grow Tools help to get more subscriptions. That means less anonymous carts, so you can actually target more of your cart abandons after they actually abandon it if you have the information to retarget them. So for SMS, you have to set up two particular things, and it's the customer consent and collecting phone numbers. So legally, you have to get the customer consent, and you have to ask them for their phone number. If you follow this guide, you can get a really detailed picture of how and the steps you have to take to enable all these legal stuff. And quiet hours are the hours that legally we cannot send SMS to consumers, and it's between 9 p.m. and 8 a.m. So that is not changeable. And for the editor, it's really simple. This is a message that the user receives. It's the text, the checkout URL, and this is in minutes. That's the only difference between our push notification and email series. This one is in minutes. The other two are in hours. So moving on, we have a lot of grow tools that you can use to get more subscriptions and improve your conversions. You can check them out right here. So all of these are integrations that we are currently running in the background to get more leads. These two are ones you can set up directly and that were created by us. So add to cart pop-up is a pop-up that appears when someone adds a product to their cart asking for their email. And that will basically create a profile and a persona that you can go over, and that persona is subject to receiving the emails, push, and SMS depending on what grow tool they received and what information they submitted. Set up these two, and these all the ones that have an integrations tag are products that are running in the background. You don't have to do any additional setup. And moving on, we have 3 additional features that are really important as well. Have low setup and really high value. The title bar toggle is the title of your tab changing and morphing into this after they have abandoned their cart. So you can change the title to whatever you want, and you can also change the notification and the cart counter settings, so how many items you have on your cart currently. So shop ops or social proof, we have a new application that we launched. It's effective and it will increment your conversions for about like 10 or 15%. So I really recommend going and checking this out. It's called Sales Pop. I'll talk about it in the next video, so just stick around and we'll learn a little bit more about these. And Cart Sync is a really powerful feature that we always run in the background, and it basically synchronizes all your carts throughout all devices. So if you have an application and you're using Shopify and you have a website, users will get their cart on website, on mobile, on tablets, and on every single device they have. And that brings you a really competitive advantage versus other stores, especially if you have returning customers. That's the basic like 3 features and additional stuff that we offer for Consistent Cart. So you can go to metrics and get a big picture of everything that's going on your store. So the cart funnel, the revenue generation, so how Consistent Cart is improving your revenue every day. And you can get campaign stats broken down by the instant welcome messages and abandoned campaigns, as well as high-level KPIs of sales and lead information. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us through this chat button, or you can go to the help center and check out all of our facts. And if you have any questions regarding billings, you can also go into this billing tab. If you have any additional questions, just contact us. Thank you for watching this demo. I hope it was helpful and you can use Consistent Cart to improve your sales and your conversions.